Okay guys, we are back. Got a pair of another Jabra. These are the Elite 65T. These have also like the I've also got a video here of the Elite 75T. Have the 4-way microphone enhanced sound, and also have the customizable music with the equalizer as well. And the other features they have also are that they are dust and water resistant. The active, I believe, was also sweat resistant as well. I'm not sure how bad sweat is, but also compatible with Google Voice Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and yeah. And these ones come with a 5-hour battery life. The actual earphones themselves, and the case is 15 hours. Go ahead and open these guys up and see exactly what's inside the box. So the box opens up like so. It slides out to reveal the headphones. Top one comes off. So that's the headphones, 2 earphones, and the case, and you've got this box here as well. Box includes some information. Let's get started. Let's open. And at the bottom here, you've got yourself a micro USB charging cable, and you've also got some replacement ear tips as well. So let's put that back inside like that. Okay, and then take out this thing here as well, and also the headphones, and have a look at these things and how they look. Okay, so this is the case here. Hasn't got the same sort of rubberized feel, and it's got a more secure case here. It looks like it's a bit more trickier to open, so you have to push into this top part here, and it's not like a magnetic one. It's a bit cheaper. It hasn't got the same sort of feel as a 75T that I've used. They use the same sort of magnetic, not the magnetic, the contacts, the 2 contacts, same inner design, and everything else seems the same. These are buttons on these things. Just one side has buttons. This one also has a button as well, so that's good. And they pop in the case as so. So this one goes just this side here, just there, and then this one over here pops in like so. Hasn't got the magnetic sort of thing, but just clicks in and it just pushes against it. There's no LED. There's an indicator right there. I'm assuming that's an indicator right there. Hasn't come on. I assume these need to be charged up. Push in there. It's a bit more easy to open up. You know how to open it up now. But yeah, that's the Jabra 65Ts. You see the little light here when they just let us charging. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This has been Ace, and like, subscribe. Peace out.